In front of me is Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Begin by opening settings. Then you need to click on sound and vibration after scrolling down and scroll down again. Over here, click on vibration and haptics, and now you can enable or disable use vibration and haptics by tapping on this sweater. If you decide to enable them, you can adjust the intensity of ring vibrations by swiping left or right over here, and also turn on or off feature called vibrate first, then ring gradually by tapping on the sweater next to it. Following that, scroll all the way down and adjust intensity of vibrations for notifications, alarms, touch feedback, and media by swiping left or right on all of those sliders. Then tap on the back button and scroll all the way down. Over here you can click on the sweaters next to charging sounds and vibrations, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to switch off or on those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!